If you found love across cities or even continents, you know it's no walk in the park. Long distance matrimony comes with its own unique set of challenges and joys. But believe me, with the right approach, it can work beautifully. Today, let's dive into how to make a long distance marriage thrive, from handling daily challenges to truly staying close at heart. So you've made the commitment, exchanged vows, and started this incredible journey together. But being apart geographically can feel like a huge mountain to climb. The first thing to remember is that communication is everything. You might have heard this before, but in long distance marriages, it goes beyond the typical chit chat. It's about genuinely being there, actively listening, and showing up in each other's lives, even from afar. Whether it's a quick morning voice note, a goodnight text, or a virtual date on weekends, these little acts make a big difference. And don't just talk about logistics or routines. Dive into each other's worlds. Share your dreams, fears, and even your frustrations. But of course, staying connected digitally has its limits. That's why setting goals for the future is so important. When both of you know the why behind the distance and can visualize a future together, it helps in pushing through the tough days. Maybe it's career, family, or finances keeping you apart, but remember, it's temporary. Discuss your plans regularly, maybe even set a timeline and work towards it together. This keeps both of you motivated and reassured that this isn't forever. Now, we can't ignore how tough it can feel sometimes, missing out on simple things like holding hands or sharing meals. That's where trust and understanding step in. Jealousy or insecurity might pop up now and then, and that's normal. But the way to handle it is to always communicate openly about any worries. It can help to have open discussions on how you both handle social situations, or even talk about boundaries that feel comfortable for both. Trust isn't built overnight, but little by little, these honest conversations build a rock-solid foundation. And hey, don't forget to be a part of each other's lives beyond texts and calls. Send them something they'd love, maybe a surprise letter or a small gift that reminds them of you. Physical mementos have this beautiful way of making people feel close. Plus, celebrating milestones and special days, even when you're apart, keeps things exciting. Plan a virtual anniversary date, or maybe even sync up on watching the same movie. And when possible, plan those in-person visits. Even if they're short, they bring you back to that sense of togetherness and make all the distance worth it. Lastly, remember to cherish your independence too. Yes, you're married, but having time for yourself and maintaining a life outside of the relationship is crucial. Spend time on your hobbies, build your career, or just enjoy moments with friends and family. The happier and more fulfilled you are as an individual, the stronger you'll be in your marriage. It also helps you bring fresh energy and stories to share with your partner, keeping things vibrant between you two. So, to all the couples out there separated by miles, yes, long-distance matrimony has its challenges, but it's absolutely doable. With patience, trust, and intentional connection, you can build a love that grows even when you're far apart. Keep those lines of communication open, create little traditions that keep you close, and remember, this phase is temporary, but your love is forever. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on navigating relationships and life's beautiful challenges. Until next time, keep that love strong, no matter the miles.